the pila that has a dual type of respiration. It can respire when it is in land, that is by the lungs. When it is in the water, then it is by the gills. Both type also it is called the amphibious in behavior. Amphibious matlab it can respire both in water, equally in water as well as on land. On land it is by the, again I am telling you, it is by the lungs, or in the, when they are present in water, that is by the gill. The lung that is present in the pulmonary chamber, and second one is, I have already in my previous lecture told the pallial complex. This is the pallial complex, or here is present pulmonary, where is present this lungs, and on the another side, left side, there is present the bronchial chamber which contain the gill. There is only one gill. This is called ctenidia or gill. This gill, this is present parallel to the intestine, rectum or anus. Just near to that and parallel to that, in the bronchial chamber, there is present one gill. This gill, this is like a comb. It looks like a comb. It has number of comb. In the comb there are present number of these such elongated structures. By जिसे ना लपा कंघी करने आ, ऐ कंघी वर्गे दंदे होते, ठीक है? It has such type of finger-like projections on one side, which is called the ctenidial lamella, because the gill is called ctenidia also. So it is called ctenidial lamellas. This is equivalent to, this is on the one side only, these lamellas. So it is called monopectinate. Monopectinate. If it is on the both sides, in some molluscs it is present on both sides. That is called the bipectinate. Because it has on one side, it is called the monopectinate. Now each lamella, as we can see from the diagram, these are shorter on the extreme ends and longest in the central portion. Or each this lamella, that is like this. The structure of each lamella is like this. It is a triangular structure. This portion is attached portion with this long axis. This is ctenidial axis. This is ctenidial axis or this long axis. This portion, this broad portion, that is attached here in the central axis. And this portion which is away from the central, that is triangular in shape, or that is free hanging portion. This is attached, this is free hanging portion. In this, each lamella that contain a small, it is a triangular in shape, that is fine. सबने समझ आ गया ना? It is a triangular. It has this portion, one curved on one side and expanded on another side. The curved portion where it moves inward, that is called the efferent side, and other one is called efferent side. From here the water enter, from here it is come out of the lamella, or each lamella that contain this such long structures. You can see that is hanging in the hanging, or it is covered with the, it is dipped into the water. These transfer plates, these are called the transfer plates. This is very interesting thing. Respiration वास्ते की चाहिए blood. So each these transfer plates, they are rich of blood supply. They are rich of blood vessels. ठीक है? Blood supply किथों आनी है? It definitely comes in the form of blood vessels. So the blood vessels, they are huge in number, where in these transfer plates. And now you can see there are number of lamellas, or each lamella has number of transfer plates. So there is huge number of blood vessels. What is that called? In circulatory system we have studied, they are called the tenoidal vessel, which is open into the auricle after oxygenation. Here the deoxygenated blood, here the oxygenated blood. Or this from tenoidea, after oxygenation, tenoidal vessel that open into the auricle, oxygenated blood. Now what is the function? In the pallial complex, each these structure is that yes, gill lamella. This is the structure of gill lamella. This is the its histological structure of gill lamella. It is consist of number of cells. Number of cells. There are present three type of cells. Three type of cells. Write down their names. One is glandular cells. Glandular cells. Another are means some they produce the secretions. The glandular cells that produce the secretions. I think clear to everyone, glandular cells which has gland-like structures and produce the secretions. Second are the epithelial cells with cilia. With cilia. This you can see. There are number of ciliated cells. They are called ciliated epithelial cells. I think clear? Another are the non-ciliated cells. They are called the simply non. What are these called? These are called the non-ciliated epithelial cells, or glandular cells which produce the secretions. And what is the function of non-ciliated? They form the basic structure. And what is the function of ciliated cells? Why there is a variation? Ciliated cells, they move and rotate the water in the gill lamella. Clear? कि ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਪਾਣੀ ਆਂਦਾ ਵਾ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਅੱਗੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਪੁਸ਼ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਸਾਡੇ intestine ਚ that function is done by the intestinal cells, or in the stomach also gastric ciliated cells, they also do the same work. The function of cilia is to beat the, when they beat and rotate the water in something liquidy, then it is clear the functioning. Let's see, here is the tenoidea, here is the, in the pallial complex, there is a eyes. Then here is second pair of tentacles. Here is present eyes. Then is second pair of tentacles. Then is the first pair of tentacle, or this is called labial palp, or it is a mouth. There is a one important thing. Here is present two nuchal globes. This portion is called pulmonary chamber, where lungs present. This is called the gill chamber or bronchial chamber, where is present this gill. There is one gill, so not gills, only gill. This is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
In this now, in this case, it don't have any function. The function is in case of bronchial, the function is of bronchial chamber or gill. Here is nuchal lobe. Let's see its physiological part. When it is in the water, जिਵੇਂ रेनी सीजन हो गया, पानी कितना सारा हो गया, sufficient water is there. The water enter through the left nuchal lobe. It is enter into the left nuchal lobe. ना दस्या सी और जो कराया सी. Here is it is a flap like, but at the time of functioning it become a tubular part. It take a funnel shape like a go broad or picho tube like, so that water can enter here. Why water enters from here? हालांकि bronchial is there. There is present one ospiridium structure, leaf-like structure, that is called ospiridium. The function of ospiridium is to check the nature of the water which is entering into the body for respiration. ऐना ना एक गंदा पानी होए, चिकड़ वाला पानी होए, वो तो जाके जम जाऊगा अंदर. So it check it do the work like chemistry ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਲੋਕ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ, ਉਹਦੀ chemical nature check ਕਰਦੇ ਆ. That is done by the you scientist people, like what they do in the chemistry, chemical nature check karni, so they do this part. Okay?
Yes.
Then from here it is enter into the bronchial chamber. Now it is did not enter into the this pulmonary chamber because there is present one epityna portion here near the kidney. That epityna, when they move upside, they separate this pulmonary chamber from the bronchial chamber. Now water enter through here and move here. After this, there is present huge blood supply. ठीक है ना? They carry the deoxygenated blood. That is, now water enter, water give the oxygen and take the carbon dioxide in them. From here there is again nuchal lobe. From there water come out of the pallial complex to the mental cavity. From mental cavity it is come out of the body through anus or some this. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Then in second case, these all structures are clear. In the second case, this is the bronchial respiration. Most of the time they do the bronchial respiration because most of the time they live in the water. Now, important question is how water is coming continuously in the nuchal lobe. किस तरह पानी जेड़ा वा लगातार nuchal lobe जो एंटर करता ही रहेगा, है ना? एक धार तो बननी चाहिए ना कि पानी इन्हें मिलता रहे. This portion which is head portion, it moves out, in, retract और contract करके it moves in and out. With that there is continuously water supraintestinal ganglion, from where the nerve is innervated to this gill portion. क्योंकि एक चीज समझो, अपनी भी इवन बॉडी विच किते भी अगर नर्व जड़ी आ ओदी सप्लाई नहीं हुंदी ते की हो जांदा, दैट पोर्शन इज पैरालिटिक, जिन्हों असं कहते हैं नॉन फंक्शनल ते पैरालिटिक. सो फॉर द एक्टिविटीज ईच एंड एवरी पार्ट दे नीड द नर्व्स आल्सो. ठीक है. सेकंड इज नेक्स्ट रेस्पिरेशन इज ए pulmonary respiration. Next is a pulmonary respiration. Pulmonary respiration. At the time when, let it be, water is a dirty water, गंदा पानी आ गया, चिकन वाला आ गया, कुछ भी हो गया, और at the time of egg formation they come out of the water and move to the land near the pit. मतलब मिट्टी तो जस्ट बाहर आ गया. Then respiration it prefers by the pulmonary respiration, that is with the air. That is with the air. हवा चो उन्होंने लेनी है, but ऑक्सीजन लेनी उन्होंने हवा चो. Then what they do? Again same, from this nuchal lobe, instead of water, they enter the air. पानी तो है ही नहीं है, रहन ही नहीं दिया, तो पानी किथों आ जाना है? की होएगी? हवा तेरे अंदर जाएगी. At that time, इतो enter air, and that is checked by this ospiridium and enter into this pulmonary chamber, or there is present this pulmonary pore. From there air enter into the pulmonary sac or pulmonary chamber. From the pulmonary chamber it enter into the lung, या pulmonary sac, or it is in the pulmonary chamber sac or lung. Here again it is reach of blood vessels. Reach of blood vessels. If we remember कि in the circulatory system there is again in the heart, parallel to the ctenidial vessel, there also present the pulmonary blood vessel which carries blood, oxygenated blood from the lungs. From the lungs, or supplies oxygenated blood again carried by the blood vessel into the auricle of the heart. Now clear? Here the air is enter into lungs. From the lungs, in this lung there is a huge, it is a vascular. Vascular means it has huge blood vessels. There is exchange of gases from air. The blood can take the oxygen, because each gas moves from higher concentration to lower. Blood contain deoxygenated blood, it is carbon dioxide rich, and air which is a oxygenated that give oxygen to the blood. ठीक है, and give carbon dioxide to the water, because the content of carbon dioxide is more in blood. Here there is exchange of gases, blood vessel that now become oxygenated. They carry the oxygenated blood and move to the, where they move toward the heart. In the open into the auricle. जब खून साफ हो गया तो इन्हें कित्थे जाना है? हार्ट दे ऑरिकल जो ओपन करेगा. Near to the ctenidial vessel there is pulmonary vessel. This is clear. Third one is renal, that come that I have told you in my previous lecture. Now I think each and every blood vessel, from where it takes place, how there is respiration takes place in the pila is now clear. There is both type of respiration at the time of pulmonary respiration. Again, Epitina do this. They separate the pulmonary and bronchial chamber. ठीक है? They close the bronchial chamber portion, or air enter here and then from this nuchal lobe come out of the body. The foul air that is come out of the body from the right nuchal lobe. I think this is clear to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
At the time of estivation क्यों गया? जदों यहाँ hibernation, it moves into the deep soil, तब भी there is a pulmonary respiration is there. Secondly, again the regular movement of air, that is again takes place by the movement of this head portion. I think clear?
Yes, ma'am.